Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll take a fascinating journey through the world of maintenance and facility management, exploring some surprising statistics that underscore the sector's importance and challenges. We'll discuss everything from budgeting and software adoption to the career outlook and the significant role of emerging technologies. So gear up to gain insights into a sector that's a silent yet crucial driver of economies worldwide. Now, let's dive into some eye-opening statistics about maintenance and facility management. Starting with budgeting and spend, from the year 2004 to 2008, the U.S. allocated 57% of its transportation infrastructure budget to new construction projects, leaving 43% for maintaining the major part of existing roads. At the moment, over 47,000 bridges in the U.S. urgently need repairs, and 38% of all American bridges require some form of repair, which would take about 80 years to complete. The global market for enterprise asset management software is worth $4 billion and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 11%, reaching $8 billion by the year 2022. As of 2018, 53% of facilities use a CMMS to monitor their maintenance, while 55% still rely on spreadsheets and schedules, and 44% use paper. As we move to CMMS and software adoption, 78% of companies using a CMMS in 2017 saw improvements in equipment life. However, up to 80% of all attempted CMMS implementations fail, and about the same percentage of users don't utilize all the software functions. In one case, data visualization software reduced production hours by 320 hours and increased production by 15%. In the maintenance career outlook, the U.S. employs over 80,000 machinery maintenance workers and over 131,000 aircraft service technicians and mechanics. About 1.3 million people work as general maintenance workers, with 302,000 in the real estate sector. The job outlook is projected to grow by about 8% over the next 10 years, with the average salary for a maintenance technician in 2019 just under $39,000 per year. The top-paying industry is the federal executive branch, offering an average of $72,350 per year. Discussing downtime, 44% of all unscheduled equipment downtimes result from aging equipment. Unplanned downtimes cost an estimated $50 billion every year, affecting factories' productive capacity by 5 to 20%. In terms of safety, poor compliance with lockout-tagout standards was the fifth most frequently cited violation by OSHA in 2018. Up to 30% of all manufacturing deaths are related to maintenance activities. Companies can save 12 to 18% by using preventive maintenance over reactive, with each dollar spent on preventive maintenance saving an average of $5 later. It's estimated that U.S. factories use about $40 billion worth of outdated equipment. Turning to the Internet of Things, as of 2017, about 53% of companies adopted big data analytics, including predictive maintenance and IIoT technologies. By 2024, IIoT technologies are predicted to create nearly $800 billion in economic value. Roughly 30% of manufacturers have difficulty understanding IoT, but nearly half are emphasizing IIoT technologies as of 2018. Worldwide spending on IoT technology is expected to reach $1.2 trillion in 2022. The number of connected devices worldwide is estimated to be over 17 billion, with 7 billion being IoT devices. Lastly, in predictive maintenance, its use increased from 47% in 2017 to 51% in 2018. 80% of manufacturing plants use preventive maintenance, and over half use predictive maintenance with analytical tools. The U.S. was projected to be short 10 million workers by 2018. Only about 10% of industrial equipment ever actually wears out, indicating that many mechanical failures are avoidable. Predictive analytics yields a tenfold return on investment and results in savings of 30 to 40%. As of 2018, the most common challenge facilities face is a lack of resources, with 49% considering this a challenge. Total productive maintenance has historically increased plant capacity by over 10% and productivity by 50%, though over half of all attempts to implement it fail. 79% of businesses see predictive maintenance as the main application of industrial data analytics. These statistics not only underscore the critical role of maintenance and facility management, but also highlight the potential for significant improvements and savings through effective management and advanced technologies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of maintenance and facility management. We've discussed key concepts such as budgeting, software adoption, career outlook, and the role of emerging technologies. Remember, effective management and advanced technologies can lead to significant improvements and savings. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.